This is how to make shaving cream rain science experiment. First, add 3/4 of water to the jar. Next, add your shaving cream. Now add your food colouring. You can add whatever colour you like. We decided to do rainbow. Add a few drops of the colour that you would like to put in. Now just watch the rain. It may take a few minutes to fall, so just be patient. As you can see, the colours are now falling and mixing. And if you put lots of one colour in, it'll start to fall like this red. I hope you enjoyed this science experiment to make shaving cream rain. Subscribe for more fun stuff.